Today we're getting outside and go for a walk, so come along with me. Oh, my forehead looks so big.
No, it always looks like that.
You lie.
Oh, my necklace don't feel naked.
That's where Jason is. Right in there.
That's what it is.
Look at all that grass.
Yep.
We have stopped to eat sandwiches and eat watermelon.
We're having a picnic.
It's not. It's like a reward. We have another lap to do, right?
Yep, another 10,000 steps.
If you're here doing this with me, keep going. We got this. If not, you'll get there soon, babes.
Get started.
We split. Oh. Yeah. Onward. Look how he left me.
Come on, quit playing around. Let's go.
We got smoothies. It's like a reward. What you get?
Peanut Power Plus.
And I got, I don't know, I had a hard time, to be honest.
You got a
I
pina
just wanted
colada.
coconut in something. She recommended it with the pineapple something, so this is what I got. They're pretty good.
If you love
Yeah.
pina colada,
I will see you guys next time. Bye.
ciao.